Looking for the best drone in 2026? Whether you're interested in aerial photography, travel videos, FPV flying, or simply want a fun drone with GPS and obstacle avoidance, there are plenty of options available. In this video, we've rounded up the top 5 best drones of 2026. We'll look at the key features, camera capabilities, flight performance, pros, cons, and help you decide which drone is right for you. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. YLRC S819 GPS Drone. This drone features a 3-axis gimbal, 2.7K camera, dual camera setup, GPS positioning, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, up to 6 kilometers of advertised transmission range, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, and a remote controller with a built-in 12.5 centimeter touchscreen. The S819 offers a strong combination of camera stabilization and intelligent flight features. The 3-axis gimbal is especially useful for capturing smoother aerial footage, while GPS positioning helps improve flight stability and makes features like return to home more practical. The built-in touchscreen on the controller also makes it easier to view the live FPV feed without relying entirely on a smartphone. Pros: 3-axis mechanical gimbal, 2.7K camera, GPS positioning, dual camera system, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, long advertised transmission range. If you want a feature-rich GPS drone with a 3-axis gimbal and touchscreen controller, the S819 is our top overall pick. Number 2. Lenovo 8K GPS Drone with Screen Remote. This drone is marketed with an 8K HD camera, GPS positioning, laser obstacle avoidance, a 3-axis gimbal, and a dedicated screen-equipped remote controller. The biggest attraction here is the combination of a high-resolution camera system and stabilized 3-axis gimbal. A dedicated screen remote can also make the flying experience more convenient because you don't necessarily need to use your smartphone for the live camera feed. GPS positioning and obstacle avoidance features add another layer of convenience for aerial photography and recreational flying. Pros: 8K camera specification, 3-axis gimbal, GPS positioning, obstacle avoidance, screen-equipped remote, designed for aerial photography. If camera resolution and a dedicated screen controller are your priorities, this Lenovo drone is an interesting option for aerial photography enthusiasts. Number 3. RG808 PRO GPS Drone. This foldable drone features an advertised 8K HD camera, 3-axis gimbal, GPS, brushless motors, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, a large screen remote controller, and an advertised flight time of approximately 25 minutes. The RG808 PRO focuses on combining portability with advanced flight features. Its foldable design makes transportation easier, while the brushless motors should provide stronger performance and improved efficiency compared with basic brushed motor drones. The 3-axis gimbal is another major advantage for anyone interested in smoother aerial footage. Pros: 3-axis mechanical gimbal, 8K camera specification, GPS positioning, brushless motors, foldable design, large screen remote, 5G Wi-Fi FPV. If you want a portable drone with brushless motors, GPS, and a stabilized camera, the RG808 PRO is a strong choice to consider. Number 4. Lenovo SX1 GPS Foldable Drone. This foldable quadcopter features a wide-angle dual camera system, Wi-Fi FPV, brushless motors, and a compact design that's easy to transport. The SX1 is aimed at users who want an affordable and portable drone for recreational flying and aerial photography. The dual camera configuration gives you additional shooting perspectives, while brushless motors can provide better durability and performance. Its foldable design also makes it convenient for travel. Pros: foldable design, brushless motors, dual cameras, wide-angle photography, Wi-Fi FPV, portable. If portability and affordability are your priorities, the SX1 is a practical option for casual drone users. Number 5. G66 GPS Folding Drone. This model features an advertised 8K GPS camera, GPS positioning, optical flow positioning, brushless motors, obstacle avoidance, a 4.5-inch screen remote, and an advertised flight time of approximately 25 minutes. The G66 offers a well-rounded set of features for its category. GPS and optical flow positioning can help improve hovering stability, while the built-in screen on the remote makes FPV flying more convenient. Its foldable design also makes it easy to transport, making it a potentially good option for travel and outdoor adventures. Pros: 8K camera specification, GPS positioning, optical flow positioning, brushless motors, obstacle avoidance, 4.5-inch screen remote, foldable design. If you want a compact GPS drone with a screen remote and brushless motors, the G66 is an interesting choice for recreational aerial photography. Those are our picks for the top 5 best drones in 2026. Best overall, YLRC S819 GPS drone. Best for aerial photography, Lenovo 8K GPS drone. Best portable performance, RG808 PRO. Best budget-friendly option, Lenovo SX1. Best compact GPS drone, G66 Folding Drone. If you want the best balance of camera stabilization, GPS, obstacle avoidance, and a convenient screen controller, the YLRC S819 is our top overall choice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.